Okay, sundan natin sila ng John. Let's go! How about here, Narika? Hi, kids! Nana John is here! Nana John is a five-year-old from Japan. She is so lovely and super lovely, and she loves eating strawberries. Let's go, kids! Let's follow Nana John here in our area.
Dapat na kailangan. Dali.
Kami ating mga kids today. Dito na tayo sa event area kids. Yeah, and everybody on sidewalk. And once again, sa lahat po na nasa ballpool area, narito toy corner, sa street area, at sa trampoline po. Habang kids napit lang dito sa ating event area, don't be shy. Kaya nyo kami ni Lala Chan. Ayan, dami naman natin kids today. Okay, kids. Kamusta naman kayo? Are you having fun? Yes? Masaya ba kayo? Nakita niyo si Lala Chan today? Uy, masaya sila. Si Lala Chan din, masayang masaya. Alright, before we